Being an entrepreneur is more than just investing in real estate. It's about freedom. It's a way of life.
Entrepreneurs are risk takers, always pushing the limits and challenging what others said were impossible.
They're innovators, constantly coming up with a creative solution to problems that others weren't able to solve.
They're leaders, inspiring others to take action and make a difference.
But being an entrepreneur isn't easy. It takes hard work, determination, and a willingness to never give up.
Entrepreneurs face challenges every day, but you'd never be able to tell. They make it look easy.
Because for an entrepreneur, failure isn't an option.
So, if you ever have wanted true freedom and the ability to help others achieve the same, embrace the entrepreneur way of life and make your mark on the world.